Today we're doing work on the Morris Minor while it's warmish, and we had a problem where when we turned it on it was overflowing out the float bowl. So we just cleaned it all out. We cleaned the float and the little valve that opens and closes. We've got no paper gasket and there wasn't one on there, so at the moment all we can use is RCB, so we're just doing this to see if it works. And we've also put new wheels on it because the tyres had perished so much while it was in the garage they'd gone flat and we couldn't shift it, so we decided to chuck the new wheels on that we bought for 120 quid, which was a bargain. So we're going to put that on there. We're going to chuck the top on. We've got the battery on charge at the moment, and then we'll see if it'll start. See what happens. Our tube of RTV is also ancient, so we've got a cut hole in the bottom of it. Make sure wipe any of that from around the inside so it doesn't get stuck in there as well. It'll squeeze it over the link actually. So we just clean this out where that valve works inside there, because that was getting stuck, and because it was stuck the fuel was still continuing to come out that hole. Which way around does this go? That way? Which way? The hose is on that way.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Is it, or is it one round? Yeah, it's like that way.
That's it.
Where's the screw gone?
Yeah. This one, with this little plate, for what reason I don't know what that is, but that was in there.
I only picked one up.
Three of them,
Oh,
okay, well, this was right.
I'm resting my camera on there. I've got another screwdriver here.
It was just like that.
So I'm going to hope that RTV sealing does what it's supposed to. We've got an ancient Jubilee type clip on there. Was that what was originally on it?
Yeah.
So all we've done on this since we've had it is new window wiper motor, got the window wipers working, and the bar that runs through for the window wipers that runs through the dashboard was stuck, so we got that doing. We put a new air filter on it, we cleaned the sparks, we have put all new brake pads and cylinders in there. We've also done the hoses on the front brakes because they was perished. We stuck a new door on there, or the second hand door, because that one was pretty rusty. We've got another door for there. We've chucked a couple of lights in here. We've put these indicators and side lights on. We've got that door which just needed a bit of filling but was better than the old one. And we've put some lights on the way out. We've got all the electrics working now. Interior obviously needs some work. And we found them wheels at a bargain price, so that's all the stuff that's been done. And we started rubbing it down. It'd been painted with a brush, so it's pretty thick, but that's all been done as well. Now we've took the door off, the old green one's come off there, and we put in this one which is less rusty than that one. That one's got quite a few holes in it. This one just needs a little bit of work, so that's going on there. And all this B pillar's solid. so that's all nice. So we'll put that on there. We've just took this off the old door. That screw there undoes, open this and that pulls off. So I'm going to put the new door on now. Here we are, back with the Morris Minor. How long's this been sitting for now, do you think, in that garage?
A couple of days.
I mean, since we've started it last time.
Oh,
Months.
yeah.
5 or 6 months?
6 months.
5 or 6
easy.
months since it's been started. We've charged the battery, we've done that work that you've seen to that float bowl. Now we're going to see if it starts.
That's a damn big bunch of keys for that little key.
And let's see if it works. Choke. It's that one, eh? One far, the furthest one away.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to pull that, turn it on. We should get some clicking hopefully if the battery's charged. Yeah, that's a good noise. That's the fuel pump. Now pull it out, pull the start out, Dad. Turn the ignition on. Pull the start out. When it starts, push it back in. Give it some throttle. Push it back in. That's it. There we go. Starts there pretty much straight away. So far we've got no leaks coming out of the float bowl there. So hopefully that fixes that problem. We'll take it for a little drive and see what happens.